Mastering client communication strategies. Your team is one careless message away from compromising client confidentiality. What protocols do we have in place to ensure that our teams handle confidential or sensitive information with utmost discretion and security when communicating with clients? Implementing robust protocols for handling confidential or sensitive information is crucial when communicating with clients. Our organization prioritizes the protection of client data and maintains confidentiality by enforcing the following protocols. 1. Confidentiality agreements. All team members, including employees, contractors, and third-party vendors, are required to sign confidentiality agreements before commencing work. These agreements outline the expectation of maintaining confidentiality and the consequences of breaching confidentiality. 2. Need-to-know basis. Access to confidential or sensitive information is restricted to team members who need the information to perform their job duties. This ensures that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data, minimizing the risk of unauthorized disclosure. 3. Secure communication channels. Our organization utilizes secure communication channels, such as encrypted email platforms and virtual private networks, VPNs, to protect data transmitted electronically. These channels are regularly monitored and updated to ensure compliance with the latest security standards. 4. Data encryption. All confidential or sensitive information is encrypted when stored or transmitted. This includes data at rest, stored data, and data in transit, transmitted data. Our organization uses industry-standard encryption protocols, such as ISO 256, to ensure data remains protected. 5. Password management. Robust password management practices are enforced, including the use of strong, unique passwords, regular password rotations, and multi-factor authentication. This protects against unauthorized access to sensitive information. 6. Client-facing communication guidelines. Clear guidelines are established for client-facing communication, outlining the appropriate channels for sharing confidential or sensitive information. These guidelines emphasize the importance of obtaining client consent before sharing sensitive data. 7. Training and awareness. All team members receive comprehensive training on confidentiality protocols, data protection, and the importance of maintaining client trust. This training is refreshed regularly to ensure team members stay up to date with the latest security best practices. 8. Incident response plan. A well-documented incident response plan is in place to address any data breaches or confidentiality incidents. This plan outlines the procedures for containing and mitigating the incident, notifying affected parties, and conducting a post-incident review. 9. Regular security audits. Our organization conducts regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations. These audits cover all aspects of data handling, including communication channels, data storage, and access controls. 10. Client notification. Clients are informed about our confidentiality protocols and the measures in place to protect their sensitive information. This transparency fosters trust and demonstrates our commitment to maintaining confidentiality. 11. Access controls. Strict access controls are implemented to limit access to confidential or sensitive information. This includes role-based access, least privilege access, and segregation of duties to prevent unauthorized access or disclosure. 12. Document management. Sensitive documents are stored in secure, access-controlled repositories. These documents are regularly reviewed, updated, and disposed of according to established retention schedules. By implementing and enforcing these protocols, our organization ensures that confidential or sensitive information is handled with utmost discretion and security when communicating with clients.